Hello, my name is Monica Ramirez. I am 21 years old and I live in La Argentina, Huila. Is student English level 2. I am dog's favorite. Two dogs, one Zeus, two Bruno. I live in La Argentina, Huila. My last vacations, I went to the coffee park. In the month of September, I went to the coffee park in Armenia. It was great. I went there with my mother-in-law and sister-in-law. I did not have to pay much because it was visiting team. I only had to the 70,000 pesos for the entrance to the park, where there are many missional and aquatic attractions. It was a wonderful experience. What more I like to play was its landscape. I was there one in Manizales. I stayed 5 days. So I returned the sun month. The water in the coffee park. The water in the coffee park and cool Manizales should carry a bag and umbrella for a visit in the place. Recommendations: 1. Very comfortable couches for the trip and the world. 2. I should take a good camera to have good memories. 3. It is necessary to carry a jacket or shirt, either for the cool or the sun. 4. A good idea is that they contact a guide to tour the park. 5. It is better to buy the included travel packet. It will the and to cheaper that with private. 6. It is important to have suture you haven't know if the days is very opportunity. What should do you if you go to the coffee park? It is better to consult with a tourist company and with the goal package for the entrance to the park, so you can enjoy all. The attraction at the most important of all is to stay a night before near the place, either Armenia or Manizales to saving time. What you must not do, it should not go in delicate states of real nuclearic purple or surf from the heart, since moon's attraction are very adrenaline. Thanks.